The higher performance Grand Cherokee SRT packs the powerful 6.4-liter V8, and sports 20-inch satin carbon alloy wheels, a flat-bottom steering wheel, a Bilstein active damping system, Brembo high performance, launch control, all-wheel drive with a traction management system, wider tires, HID headlights with LED fog lights, leather and perforated suede SRT seats, and performance badges, a feature that records the vehicle's performance. The SRT also includes many comfort features such as the 8.4-inch infotainment display with navigation, heated front seats and steering wheel, power tilt, telescoping steering wheel, an Alpine audio system, and the driver assist safety features found in the Summit trim. The Grand Cherokee's base 295 horsepower, 260 pounds-to-foot of torque 3.6-liter V6 that delivers an EPA-rated 19/26 of a mile per gallon city, highway with rear-wheel drive and 18/25 of a mile per gallon with four-wheel drive. A 360 horsepower, 390 pounds-to-foot 5.7-liter V8 is only available with four-wheel drive and is rated at 14/22 of a mile per gallon. The powerful 6.4-liter V8 found on the all-wheel drive SRT produces 475 horsepower and 470 pounds-to-foot and is rated at 13/19 of a mile per gallon. The new Grand Cherokee Trackhawk is powered by a 707 horsepower, 645 pound-to-foot of torque 6.2-liter supercharged V8 mated to a beefed-up 8-speed automatic that routes power to an all-wheel drive system and delivers 11/17 of a mile per gallon. An 8-speed automatic backs all powertrains. The 240 horsepower, 420 pound-to-foot 3.0-liter turbodiesel V6 engine is currently not rated by the EPA due to an ongoing emissions investigation. In its testing, the 2018 Grand Cherokee received the second lowest score of marginal for the driver's side small overlap front test and the highest score of good for the other crash tests. The lowest score of basic was issued for the front crash prevention test for properly warning the driver of a possible collision, but the automatic emergency braking feature was not tested. The automatic emergency braking feature is found in the active safety group and is standard on Summit, SRT, and Trackhawk trims. The active safety group also includes lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, a rain-sensing windshield, and a self-parking system. The 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee received the NHTSA's highest 5-star overall safety rating with 4-wheel drive and a 4-star overall rating with rear-wheel drive. The optional SOS call and assist buttons provide emergency or roadside assistance.